Supplements to increase metabolism after 40. Metabolism is the process by which the body converts food into energy. After the age of 40, metabolism tends to slow down, which can make it more difficult to lose weight, maintain muscle mass and stay healthy overall. Fortunately, there are a number of supplements available that can help increase metabolism in people over the age of 40. 1. Of the best supplements for increasing metabolism after 40. 2. Essential omega-3 fatty acids, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. These fatty acids are important for maintaining a healthy metabolic rate, as they help to regulate the body's sensitivity to insulin, which is a hormone that helps regulate metabolism. Studies have shown that taking fish oil supplements can increase the body's metabolic rate and help to decrease body fat. 40. Caffeine is known to increase the body's metabolic rate by stimulating the production of norepinephrine, a hormone involved in the body. Cardiometabolic process. Caffeine can also help to increase energy levels, which can further help to increase metabolism. Green tea extract. Green tea extract is another supplement that can help increase metabolism after 40. Green tea extract is rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the body from free radical damage and increase the body's metabolic rate. Studies have shown that green tea extract can also help to decrease body fat and boost energy levels. Ginger. Ginger is another supplement that can help to increase metabolism after 40. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which helps to increase the body's metabolic rate by improving blood circulation. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce body fat and increase the body's fat-burning capacity. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is another supplement that can help increase metabolism after 40. Vitamin B12 is an essential vitamin for maintaining a healthy metabolism, as it helps convert food into energy. Studies have shown that taking vitamin B12 supplements can help to increase the body's metabolic rate and boost energy levels. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are a number of supplements are available that can help to increase metabolism after the age of 40. Fish oil, caffeine, green tea extract, ginger, and vitamin B12 are some of the most effective supplements for increasing metabolism. However, it is important to speak with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as some may interact with medications or have other side effects. This statement is intended as a disclaimer for dietary supplements. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The information provided here is for educational purposes only, and is not intended as a substitute for advice from your physician or other healthcare professional. You should not use the information on this website for diagnosing or treating a health problem or disease, or prescribing any medication or other treatment. Please consult with a healthcare professional before starting any diet, exercise,